Welcome to QLC online video tutorial. In this video, we will see the importance of the FieldSense mobile application running in the background processing. Suppose user starts his journey from a point A. At the start of the day, user will punch in from his location.
Now we will see how user can punch in FieldSense mobile application. For that, he need to click on FieldSense mobile application. After that, he need to click on menu button which is on left hand side top corner. In this punch in screen, he need to click on the punch in button. And here we can see user has successfully punched in FieldSense mobile application. After punching, user just need to keep the app running in the background processing like this.
After punching, user will travel some path and reach his customer location where he do his visits. Maybe after first visit he will continue to attend another visit and day and it goes on. After completing all his visit, user will travel somewhere and it will reach at the point B. At this point B, he will do his punch out at the end of the day. In FieldSense, we have provided the feature to claim expense where user can claim his expense against the travel. Suppose user have traveled 12 km for this day.
Now we will see how the user can claim his expense using FieldSense mobile application against this visit. For that, you need to click on the menu button. In menu options, we need to click on the expense. After that, we can click on add expense button. Here we will select the visit. We have to type the customer name against which we have to claim the expense. Now after selecting the customer, it's time to select the visit. Here we have selected the visit which is demo training. Now we will select the category which is traveling. We will put the expense head as traveling expenses for 12 kilometers. Now we will put the amount. Suppose if user gets 10 rupees per kilometer, it will be 120 rupees for 12 kilometer. If user need to add any photo for this expenses, he can select on the gallery option or the camera option to add the photo. We will add this photo for the expense proof. So after clicking the picture, this is how the expense look. Now we have to submit this expense using the right option which is right hand side top corner. Here we have successfully claimed the FieldSense expense against a visit.
Now we will see how you can log into your FieldSense web panel and check and approve or reject the expense claimed by your user. For that, you just need to click on the login of the FieldSense icon. Here you will be redirected to this page. Here you just need to click on your user ID and password. After that, you need to click on login. After login, this type of screen will be open in front of you. This is nothing but the dashboard. On the left hand side of the dashboard, you will get the menu option. In the menu option, you will get different option. Among that, to view the travel reports, you need to click on the reports and then click on the travel. After clicking travel, you will get the travel reports in this way. Here you can see how much kilometer your users are traveling for the given day. Now if you want to approve or reject the expense which is claimed by your user, you need to click on the expense tab which is on the left hand side menu. Here you can view all the expenses depending on the filters you have selected. You can also select the users. You can check the status. You can check the expense by the status. You can select the date range and the expense categories. If you wish to approve or reject the expense, you just need to click on that expense. Then you will get the options to approve and the reject. In order to achieve this, the app needs to be run in the background and tracking the user's location detail from the punch in to punch out. What if user have forgot to keep the mobile application running in the background processing? Here will be the start point his journey A and at the end point of journey B. If the mobile application is not running in the background processing, it will take the straight line between these two locations and will count the distance, which is 7 km. That is why it is very much important to run the FieldSense mobile application in background processing. Thank you for watching this video.